I was thinking about the flight feathers of various birds, and I've been looking more closely at the tail and the flight feathers. And luckily for me, I don't have to look any further because down there are the feather of a pigeon that unfortunately may have lost its life to the cats in the locality. But what a wonderful display of the efficiency of the feathers. You know, you can actually see it turning into the wind and being used as a sail. Today is fairly quiet and it's a mild day, but this feather, which planted itself in the soil, has taught me a lot about how efficient the feathers are. Once in your life, you come across an accident by this feather planting itself, but it is worth every single moment. The gentle breeze, the turning of the sails. It's more efficient actually than a lot of the sails that people use anyway. Um, maybe we collect some feathers, not from the living ones anyway, and do something with it. In the meantime, just watch the simplicity of nature. I'm going to try and zoom in and see if it works. The definition is not that good, so I'm going back. What a wonderful thing in nature. Yes, I wish I could fly.